Wow, Carl! I didn't know you could do that! That's amazing! Uh-oh! Looks like somebody is in trouble! You better check it out, Carl! Oh no! Jerry is practicing for a big race, but the racetrack is full of garbage! It must have been blown there by yesterday's strong wind! Carl, I think this is a mission for Supertruck! Hi, Jerry. You look worried. Are you concerned about not being able to practice for the race? I thought so. But don't you worry, Supertruck is here to help you. What is it, Supertruck? You've got an idea? Super garbage truck? Awesome! All right, let's have a cleaning race. 3, 2, 1, Yeah! You are both winners! You want to ask your friends to clean your garbage and find your trophies? Supertruck, could you help? Great! Wow, Jerry, you were right. This place is a mess. Your trophies are somewhere among those boxes? But how are we going to find them? That's it! A magnetic arm? Of course! Those trophies are made with metal, so a magnet should pull them out of this pile of garbage. Brilliant! Look, Jerry, your trophies are found! Well done, guys. You saved the day. It's race day. Jerry looks very excited about it. Supertruck and Gary are here to watch and support him. Yes! Jerry wins! Wow! Supertruck, this is amazing! Thank you, Supertruck. You saved another day.